What's up, locals? I'm excited today, Darren, about this episode because we got plenty of bloopers at the end, so stick around for those. And we got a special guest, a local guy, gonna eat some food with us. So we are at
Antojitos Guanamex.
And we're gonna eat some pupusas.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
Hey, I'm here today with D-Hack, the guy who runs photography in Wichita. Darren, you want to introduce yourself to the people?
I would love to, but instead I'm going to introduce Jason Garraway, who is a specialist in real estate.
I call myself a residential real estate specialist.
Residential real estate.
Yeah,
so I'm a photographer and go.
Okay. I'm Jason Garraway, residential real estate specialist here in Wichita, Kansas with RE/MAX Realty Center, and really have a passion of helping people feel empowered when they buy or sell their home and cause their home to sell. And I'm really excited to just hang out with you guys here at Live Local because, I mean, you kind of own the corner of the best places to eat in Wichita, which is pretty awesome. So thanks for inviting me.
Hey, thanks for joining us. It's going to be a lot of fun. These pupusas are going to be amazing.
I brought my glasses, kind of like Hackney has, only I brought small ones because this is my hook, so you can remember I'm the guy with the small, you know, at the end of my nose glasses. So that's awesome.
I got the Loca, which is the big one that's got everything in there. It's got cheese, beef, everything on the menu. It's in here. So I can't wait to dive into that one. And then I got the Revuelta, but I'll let Jason and Darren tell you about this one because it sounds pretty good too. So I'm gonna go in for the big one. Just gonna cut right down the middle. I'm gonna do my first bite without sauce, and then we're gonna add some heat. That's delicious. That's like just like a high-end quesadilla. Like, that is phenomenal. Yeah, it looks like a pancake, but man, it is packed with flavor. First thing I taste is the cheese and the vegetables in there that add the seasoning, the pork. Man, just all blended together nicely for one just fluid taste. It is a party in your mouth. That is so good. I love it. Now I'm gonna add some heat, which it doesn't really need more flavoring. I just like to add heat to everything I eat. So I'm gonna add the hot heat here. But the seasoning in there is phenomenal. So you don't really need this. I just like to add the heat because at Live Local, we love the heat. Again, that's so good. It's got a slight crunch, but it's smooth and creamy and just all the good things you would want in a quesadilla slash gordita slash pupusa. So pupusas, I'm butchering that. But what it is it's a flour tortilla that they put two of them together. They put all the meat in there and they put two of them together, and it's just a beautiful thing right here. I can't say it, but I can eat it, and it's delicious. I'm just gonna put the word right here on the screen. You figure it out, all right? But no, these things are awesome. So they're a little different from gorditas because gorditas are cut in half and open, kind of like a pita bread, but these aren't. But man, you gotta come check this out. So let's see what Jason and Darren think about theirs.
Show me how it's done.
Okay, so here's the thing. So we've got some pupusas right here.
Pupusa. The accents on the second syllable.
We went through the 3 different kinds, and I'm trying to remember which ones I had. I think we both pretty much got the same kind. So, and
I got the Revuelta.
Yep, that one.
Revuelta, and you got the Loco,
Yes.
and the hang on.
What's the flower one?
The Pupusa Loca. You got that one, and
yes. Cheat.
Hold on. Get this right before you.
How do you pronounce this one? Revueltas?
Revueltas.
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 The chicharron, which is pork.
Aquí, yep.
And then
Pupusa Loca.
And Pupusa Loca.
We both got that.
Which it has an edible flower in it. I'm excited about that. But anyway, you also get a slaw, and it's not normal coleslaw because I can't stand coleslaw. The best place coleslaw should be is in the trash can. But with this, add a little bit of this. I guess this is a
You throw that on there?
A little bit on there, yeah. Throw some on there. Yeah.
And
And then if you want, you can eat it dry, or we've got some hot sauces here. This is hot. Hot, hot, hot.
I feel like I should do some hot.
It's good.
I feel like I should do some hot.
This is not as hot. This is the training wheels for you.
This is Jason Garraway style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got a little heat.
Nah.
Little heat for you.
I want the hot stuff.
Oh, you're going big?
I'm going big.
You're going bigger?
I'm going to go bigger.
Okay, well, go nice with it, because I'm telling you.
Is it super hot?
It's got some heat. It'll wake you up. But I like the heat, because we at Live Local love the heat. All right, here we go. First bite. Do I need a knife?
The anticipation is killing me, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff. So you just cut in, and then dabbed a little. I don't know what this one is, but it looks.
Yeah, no. I think this is the chicharron.
Chicharron. This has cheese in it, so I think it's a.
So just real quick, you can see that they've fried both sides. There's a filling inside. Let's see if I can open this one up. Trying to see what's in this one. Looks like so you can see there's a little so it's like a little pocket. So not quite a pancake, but yet a little bit of goodness. That's so good. Have you?
I've been listening to you. I've been watching them.
Eat.
Okay, first bite.
First bite.
Gonna try this. Get it all together. A little hot sauce. I like pupusas. That's good stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
El Salvador.
Yeah, these are good. I'm telling you, I think these are the best in town.
So really, the best part, I think, of today was what they call an ensalada. So this came to me actually filled to the brim. It's water, pineapple, 3 different types of apple, and cantaloupe all stuck in there, and the juice just kind of filters down into the drink. And I'm telling you what, I could eat one of these every single day and it never get old. So I'm kind of finishing up. Well, you're not going to judge me if I just kind of... Ensalada, straight from El Salvador. And Daisy, the owner, says this is the best drink to have.
She brought us out one more, Lodo Roca con queso, and this one is beans and cheese with an edible flour. And I think that's what this is. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've already put the hot sauce on it, so in case you're wondering. This one is straight off the flat top, lots of flavor. I just love the crunch. I love the crunch, how smooth the texture of the tortillas. And the flavors are just dancing, and especially with this little hot sauce in it. I've got a nice level of heat, a creaminess from the bean and cheese. Can't really taste the flour, but I like it. It's nice and hot and spicy and yummy. All right, so I've had pupusas. This is Troy's first time for having pupusas. And I suggest we come here because honestly, this is my favorite place to come and get pupusas here in Wichita. Troy, what'd you think?
Man, I thought they were awesome. Yeah, just like a glorified quesadilla. I mean, there's just something special about it. It's really good.
Oh my God, it was so good.
Yeah, I think we all three found something new that we could add to the menu of things we'd like to eat. And
absolutely.
Pupusas is one of them, because that was delicious. I think the owner said that we should come back and try some more El Salvadorian things that she has on the menu, because she is actually from El Salvador herself. So this is like true, authentic El Salvadorian cuisine right here. Guana is kind of what they call El Salvadorian food, and the Mex is Mexico, and so she kind of blends some of those on her menu, but she's true El Salvadorian. So yeah, absolutely, really good food.
I'll be back.
I'll be back for sure. As always, I'm Troy.
I'm Darren.
And we're reminding you to live local. See you next time.
Yes. She brought us out one more for us to try. La Roca.
La Roca. La Roca.
La Roca. I'm trying to do it without laughing though.
No laugh for you.
No laugh for you. La Roca.
Oh my gosh, you can't get it.
I will. Give me a second.
La Roca.
La Roca. La Roca.
Sorry, go.
Is it the queso?
La Roca.
La Roca.
Con queso.
Con queso.
La Roca con queso. And this one, good Lord.
Pupusas.
Guanamex.
Guanamex.
Should we do this again?
Yep.
All right.
And El Salvador. Just killing I'm just butchering all this.
If I do this a certain way, does my chin not look, don't look like me. No, don't.
You know, everything you say will make the blooper.
Don't make eye contact with me. I can't do that.
Everything you say is in the blooper reel.
Everything I do.
Yeah.
Yes. Take
hey.
one.
What's up, Live Local, y'all? What is that?
I don't know what that was. You went straight. You went straight epic.
I pointed like 47 times there.